Hey, what's up guys, hope all of you are doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about the Galaxy A34. So there's a new update available. Also we'll talk about the One UI 8.5 update for this device. Now for the new update, simply go into the settings of this device, then tap on software update, then tap on download and install. From here you will get to see that there's a new February security patch update available. If we talk about what's new available, so it has some new security improvements available. If we talk about the update size, so it is 374 MBs in size. First of all, you will have to download this update, and once the update is downloaded, you just have to simply install it. So meanwhile the update is downloading, let's talk about the One UI 8.5 update. So from Sam Mobile, it is official that the One UI 8.5 update will be available for the Galaxy A34. But if we talk about the features, so it is not sure that which features will be available for the A series, as mostly not all of the features are available for the A series. Now the update is downloaded. To install it, simply tap on install now, but make sure to install it when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during the installation process. So once you're ready, simply tap on install now and your device will restart and it will install the update. By the way, let me know in the comment section that if you got this update on your device or not yet. So once the update is installed, you will get to see that it is on the latest February security patch level of 2026. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy A34 and some news regarding the One UI 8.5 update. Let me know in the comment section that what are your thoughts on the One UI 8.5 update. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.